Here's a 2016 Honda Pilot. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for everyone makes this the perfect crossover SUV for the entire family. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM satellite radio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, remote engine start, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and streaming audio. Motor Trend reports Honda has redefined an already capable package in ways that should spike its desirability index with both core and conquest buyers. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.